Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block spam calls on your Android smartphone. So while it won't block all spam calls potentially, it should take a good dent out of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the phone app on this page. Select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. Underneath Assistive, select Caller ID and Spam. And where it says Filter Spam Calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Just click inside that oval one time to toggle it on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.